Beware of wolves in sheep's clothing. They come amongst you, try to pull a wool over your eyes. The Bible says there was a lamb which appeared, but spake as a dragon. Beware of those who take the knee, who bow and have false intentions of peace. They offer the false peace. So many follow after a false peace which believes a lie. They have world religion. People who attack the Christian faith at the end of the world are called the false prophet. And it says that the red dragon gave power to the beast. And the beast, of course, was also religion, false religion. The Roman Catholic Empire followed on from the Roman Empire. The Christians were persecuted under them. That's why the Bible teaches us to beware of false prophets. And the red dragon, which is now, I believe, communism, is now attacking the Christian saints. There is talk, apparently, that this COVID-19 was started in a laboratory, and that somehow it escaped. But why did the communist regime allow flights to go around the world when they'd cancelled flights in their own country and they hoarded up all the masks? Makes me think that something suspicious was going on. As I said, beware of wolves in sheep's clothing. Or you'll get the wrath of the Lamb. Jesus said to Peter, "Feed my sheep." Jesus Christ is the Good Shepherd. The Good Shepherd gives his life for the sheep. Well, we got ourselves a little bit of rain coming. Bye for now.